Right, so we've got my 2015 Vivaro long wheelbase van. I'm just going to be changing the bench seats out for another set of seats. These ones fold down like that and then they fold forward to create more space in the back. So these seats, they have a releasing catch underneath. I'll show you. So you just push down, push that forward. You do that both sides. Bit stiff because they've not been used, and then that will allow me to pull that seat out. So I think the seat just needs to pull back a bit and then we should be able to get it out just like that.